Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over all of the good deals that are going on at Dollar General this week. Plus, we have a glitch list. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Now, before we get into the good deals and the glitches, I wanted to go ahead and remind everybody that I did upload a video yesterday showing you all the easiest way to organize coupons. Plus, in that video, I also announced the winners of the gift card giveaway. So if y'all missed that video, make sure that you go and check it out. I'll have it linked in the pinned comment down below. And also, last week I did upload a video showing y'all how you can get a free Thanksgiving dinner from Ibotta and Walmart. And we all know Thanksgiving is right around the corner, so if you missed that video, make sure that you go and check it out, and I'll have that one linked in the pinned comment down below as well. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and take a quick look at our good deals and glitches for this week at DG. Now, I'm not sure if y'all can tell or not, but I am starting to lose my voice, unfortunately. So I'm not going to be able to talk through every single deal with you all, but rest assured, all of the deals will be on your screen here with all of the coupon matchups. So if you guys need to pause, take notes. I mean, we do have some really awesome deals. Like this one right here with the Snyder's pretzels. These are normally $2.75. They're on sale 2 for $3. We also still have a sale on the Tombstone pizzas. They're on sale 2 for $9, and we do have a digital coupon that'll go along with that. And we have a new instant savings on the Prego pasta sauces. So I did put up the 2 price points on your screen there to go along with that instant savings. Now, here in just a second, y'all are going to see a lot of new candy deals that we have this week at DG. Now, keep in mind that the Halloween candy did go down to 25% off starting today on Tuesday, but we did receive new DG store coupons on the Reese's and Hershey's products, and a lot of these are on sale. Buy 4, get 1 for free. So make sure that y'all pause the video and check out your final price and what you'll pay out of pocket on all of these deals. So here in just a second, y'all are going to see the new DG store coupon for the Hershey's holiday candies. It's save $3 when you spend $10. And this one is working on the Hershey's Kisses. These are normally priced at $3.25 each, but they're on sale. Buy 2, get 1 for free. So you're going to pay $6.75 for 4 bags, and you can mix and match. And then right here on the end, we have another sale with the Hershey's Chocolate Santas. These are on sale. Buy 4, get 1 for free. So with that coupon, you're going to pay $5 for 10. Alright, so now we're moving on into our household deals, and here is one that I want to talk to y'all about. We have the Scott bath tissue. They are on sale 2 for $8, and we do still have that instant savings from when you spend $16. You're going to instantly save 3 at the register. Now with this deal, I want you guys to be careful, because whenever I put it into my list or whenever I add it to the cart, it is not taking off both the sale price and the instant savings. So if I add 4, that's going to put me right at $16, and it should take off that $3 in instant savings. So that should drop me down to $13. So if you all do this deal in store this week, just make sure that both of the sales are applying, and if they do not, make sure that they adjust those down at the register, because these are advertised deals. Alright guys, now let's go ahead and take a look at the rest of our household deals and coupon matchups. So here we have a couple of coupon matchups for the Angel Soft 8-count Mega Rolls, and I have been loving that deal, been taking full advantage of that one on Saturdays. We also have a couple of deals on the Sparkle Paper Towels. I think this 4 off 2 coupon deal is a little bit better, but hey, it all depends on what you need for your household. Now up next, we have a few Hefty products. So we have the Hefty foam plates. They're on sale this week, 3 for $6. And then we also received a new 2 off 2 digital coupon for the Hefty storage bags. Now on Sunday, I told you guys I would just hang on to that coupon, because typically the Hefty storage bags go on sale 2 for $5 or 2 for $5.50, and that coupon doesn't expire until the end of November. Now next up, we have a sale, buy 2, get 1 for free on the Ajax, Palmolive, and Suavitel. Now y'all keep in mind you can mix and match, but if you wanted to pick up 3 of the Palmolive, you're going to pay $6. If you want to pick up 3 of the Suavitel, you're going to pay $8. And if you wanted to pick up 3 of the Ajax, you're going to pay $8.50 for all 3. Now, here's the best dish soap deal in my opinion for this week. We have the Palmolive dish soaps that are normally $3.25 each. They're on sale 2 for $4. We have a 1 off 1 digital coupon, plus we have a 1 off 1 digital coupon on the coupons.com app. So that's going to leave you paying $2 for 2, making those just $1 each. Now we also have a similar deal with the Gain dish soap. So these are actually on sale 2 for $5 this week. Use a 50-cent off 1 digital coupon and a 50-cent off 1 from the P&G, and that's going to leave you paying $4 for 2, making those $2 each. Alright, now moving right along, we have an instant savings on the Pledge, Scrubbing Bubbles, Drano, Windex, Shout, and Ziploc products. So when you spend $10, you're going to instantly save $3 at the register. And we also received a new digital coupon for $3.30 off two for the Febreze Air products. So these are priced at $3.25 each. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.20 for two. However, y'all be on the lookout for the 1-count Febreze Forest car clips. These are priced at just $3 each. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.70 for two. Or if you can find the Febreze Hawaiian scent small spaces, those are priced at just $2.70 each. So that's going to leave you paying $2.10 for two. Alright, so we are about halfway through the deals now, and I just wanted to take a second and make sure that everybody's had enough time to leave those smiles down in the comment section below for me, because you all know it absolutely makes my day to see all of your smiling faces in the comment section, and plus it is an easy way that y'all can help support this channel. So, if everybody's had enough time to leave their smiles down in the comments, let's go ahead and jump back into these deals. Alright, now this week at DG, we receive a lot of baby product coupons. So we have the Pampers Easy Ups as well as the Pampers Diapers. You're going to pay $9 after that coupon. Then we also have the Pampers Wipes 56 count. You're going to pay $1.45 after that coupon is applied. Then we also have a new Loves coupon. So that's going to leave you paying $5.75 for the Loves diapers. And we also have Pull-Ups, a 2-off-1 digital coupon for those. And right here we have a 2-off-1 digital coupon for the Huggies diapers. So that's going to leave you paying $8 plus on Fetch Rewards. Right now we have a 2,000 point bonus, which is the equivalent of $2. So that's going to make your final price just $6. Alright, so now we're moving on into our personal care deals for this week. Now, we don't have a whole lot going on, but we do have a few pretty good coupon matchups here. So we have the Olay facial cleansers, as well as we did receive that Palmolive coupon for $1.50 off one. So that's going to be paying $3.15. We also have Gold Bond for $3.60. And we also received a couple of Always coupons. So you're going to pay $3.25 for the pads and then $2.25 for the liners. Then we also received a new coupon for the Gillette Mach 3 razors. That's going to leave you paying $5.25. Alright, next up we have our deals for oral care products. So here we have the Colgate toothpaste. You're going to pay $1 after the coupon, and don't forget to scan your receipt into the Fetch Rewards rebate app because we do have bonus points back on the Colgate products. Now here we have the Craz-E mouthwash 1-liter bottle, so you can use that 1-off-1 digital coupon, or you can also use that 3-off-2 digital coupon and pay $6 for two. And then we also have the Crest Pro Health toothpaste. Those are on sale too for $6. We have that 3-off-2 digital coupon, so that'd leave you paying $3 for two. And then we also have a 1-off-1 digital coupon for the Oral-B manual toothbrushes, so you can pick up the 2-count color collection, and that's going to leave you paying $2.25. And we also have a few coupon matchups on our healthcare products. So we have the Alka-Seltzer, we also have the Mucinex cough drops, we also have some regular Mucinex, and the Aspercream and Icy Hot products. So now we're going to go ahead and take a quick look at our glitch list. So first up, we have a 2-off-1 digital coupon for the Mucinex products. This is working on the 4-count Mucinex. Those are priced at $4.65. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.65. Alright, next up we have a 2-off-1 digital coupon for the Vicks cough syrup. So this is working on the Dayquil or NyQuil 4-ounce bottles. These are priced at $5, so after the coupon you're going to pay just $3. Alright, next up we have the 1-off-1 digital coupon for the Emergency products. So this one is working on the 2-count Emergencies. These are priced at $1 after the coupon. That's going to make it completely free. Next up, we have the 150 off 1 digital coupon for the Palmer's products. So this is working on the smaller 2.1 ounce bottles. These are priced at $3.35. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.85. Next up, we have a 1-off-2 digital coupon for the Olay body wash and bar soaps. So this is glitching. I'm working on the 2-count Olay bar soaps. These are priced at $3.25 each. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $5.50 for two. Then we also received this $3 off when you purchase one of the Old Spice body wash and body lotions. So this is glitching and it is working when you pick up 2 of the Old Spice body washes priced at $5 each. After the coupon, you're going to pay $7 for two. Next up, we also received a 1-off-2 digital coupon for the Old Spice deodorants. This is glitching and it is working on the travel size Old Spice deodorants. These are priced at $1.25 each. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.50 for two. And this deal is back again. We have a 1-off-1 digital coupon for the Vicks products, and this is working on the Vicks 20-count cough drops found in the dollar aisle for $1. So after the coupon, that's going to make it completely free. Next up, we received a 1-off-1 digital coupon for the Crest mouthwash. So if you want to pick up the trial or travel sizes, those are priced at $1 each. After the coupon, that's going to make it completely free. Next up, we have a 1-off-1 digital coupon for the Oral-B toothbrushes. So this digital coupon works on the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrush priced at $1. So after the coupon, that's going to make it completely free. Now next up, we have this 1-off-1 digital coupon for the Crest toothpaste. So this digital coupon is glitching and it is working on the Crest 3.3 ounce Pro Health toothpaste found in the dollar aisle for $1, or the Crest with Scope toothpaste found in the dollar aisle for $1. So pick up one of those, use that digital coupon, and that's going to make it completely free. Alright, next up, we received a 3 off 2 digital coupon for the Crest and Oral-B products. So, this digital coupon is glitching and it is working on the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrushes priced at $1, and also the Oral-B Healthy and Clean toothbrushes priced at $1, as well as the Crest with Scope toothpaste priced at $1, and the Crest Pro Health toothpaste priced at $1. What you want to do is pick up 2 of those products, use that digital coupon, and that's going to make it completely free, plus give you $1 in overage. Alright guys, so there you have it for our good deals and glitch list for this week at DG. Now don't forget to go and check out the pinned comment down below this video where I have linked that free Thanksgiving dinner from Ibotta video. You guys need to know all the details about that, as well as the easiest way to organize your insert coupons video where I announce the winners of the gift card giveaway. So y'all make sure that you go and check out those 2 videos. Like I said, they will be linked in the pinned comment down below. And of course, y'all make sure that you stay tuned because I'll be bringing you all even more awesome deals throughout the week. So before you go, if you're not already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And make sure that you have your notifications turned on so that you don't miss out on any awesome deals. Now, while you're at it, go ahead and do me a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.